Welcome to FitReviews. Today we have a comprehensive review of Sugar Defender, a supplement that promises to revolutionize the way you manage blood sugar levels. But does Sugar Defender really work? Is it worth investing in this product? Stay until the end to find out everything. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews. Let's get started. First, let's explore what makes Sugar Defender stand out. This supplement is composed of a blend of 8 hand-picked ingredients designed to support healthy blood sugar levels. Among them, we have eleuthero, which boosts energy and reduces fatigue, and coleus, known for aiding in fat burning. Maca root, African mango, guarana, gymnema, ginseng, and chromium complete the formula, each with specific benefits for metabolism and cardiovascular health. Sugar Defender offers several purchasing options. The one-bottle option, ideal for a month, costs $69. The most popular package, with 3 bottles, is $59 each, totaling $177 with free shipping in the US. The best deal is the 6-bottle package, costing $49 per bottle, with a total of $294, and includes 2 free ebooks, The Ultimate Tea Remedies and Learn How to Manage Type 2 Diabetes. All purchases come with a 60-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction or your money back. Speaking of satisfaction, let's take a look at some user testimonials. Sean from North Carolina mentions, "I'm very happy with the results. My blood sugar is stable and I have more energy. The product is great." Jack from Arizona says, "I really like this product. It works just as well as the more expensive one I used before, but at a lower cost. Thank you." And Sabine from Texas comments, "I give this supplement 5 stars. It does everything it promises. My sugar levels dropped from over 200 to between 123 and 140. I lost 6 pounds without even trying much." Now let's detail how each ingredient in Sugar Defender works to improve your health. Eleuthero boosts your energy and reduces fatigue, essential for keeping your body active throughout the day. Coleus aids in fat burning, helping with weight control. Maca root and African mango are also known for their energizing and fat-burning effects, respectively. Guarana stimulates metabolism, while gymnema and ginseng support heart health and healthy blood sugar levels. Finally, chromium is crucial for reducing obesity and lowering blood pressure. Still on the fence? Sugar Defender has a rating of 4.98 out of 5 stars based on over 2,000 reviews. Customers like Robert from California state, "I've been taking it for almost 3 months. It worked. It really lowered my blood sugar levels and is great value for the money." With proven results and guaranteed satisfaction, Sugar Defender is a solid choice for those looking to improve their health naturally and effectively. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel, FitReviews, for more comprehensive analyses and health tips. And if you have any questions about Sugar Defender, leave them in the comments below. We're always here to help. To wrap up, let's recap. Sugar Defender is made of natural ingredients that support healthy blood sugar levels, energy, and metabolism. With affordable purchasing options, a 60-day money-back guarantee, and thousands of satisfied customers, it's a supplement worth considering. So, is Sugar Defender good? In our review, it stands out positively. You can try it risk-free and see the results for yourself. The link to Sugar Defender is in the description and the first comment, so you can find out more about the product. Thanks for watching FitReviews. We hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.